Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Today in this video, I will show you how to configuring a MikroTik P hotspot with user manager and radius server. Step 1. Configure the Hotspot Lan interface. Go to IP menu and select Addresses. Click on the plus button to add new address. Add your LAN IP address. Select your LAN interface. Step 2. Set up DNS server. Go to the IP menu and select DNS. Click on the servers field and enter your DNS address here. Step 3. Configure DHCP server for hotspot user. Go to the IP menu and select DHCP server. Click on the DHCP setup button. Select your DHCP server interface. Enter your DHCP address space. Select gateway for given network. Enter your DHCP address pool. Select DNS server. Set IP lease time for hotspot users. After complete the DHCP setup, click on the DHCP server. In the DHCP server window, click on the Use Radius and select Accounting. Check the All options. Step 4. Reset MikroTik User Manager database. Open the MikroTik terminal, type the following command to reset User Manager database. Step 5. Enable P authentication and authorization using radius. Click on the P and go to the Secret tab. Click on P authentication and accounting. Enable Use Radius. Step 6. Configure the radius server. Go to the radius. Click on the plus button to add new radius server. Select the P and hotspot. In the address field, add radius server IP address. In the secret field, enter your radius secret here. Click on the Incoming button and enable the Accept. Step 7. Configure MikroTik User Manager. Open a web browser on a device connected to the same network as the MikroTik router. To access MikroTik User Manager, enter your MikroTik WAN or LAN IP. Add / and enter username. Enter your username and password to login User Manager. Step 8. Add routers. Go to the routers and click Add New. In the name field, enter router name here. Enter radius IP address and secret. Enter radius incoming port number. Select your router and enable it. Step 9. Configure user profile. Go to Profile menu and click on the limitation. Add your speed limitation here. Add hotspot user. Click on the users. Final step. Configure MikroTik Hotspot server. Go to the IP menu and select Hotspot. Click on the Hotspot Setup button. Select your Hotspot LAN interface. Set hotspot address for interface. Set pool for hotspot addresses. Set your local DNS name here. Click on the server profile. In the server profile, go to the radius and enable use radius. In the user tab, remove the default user. Go to the IP binding tab and bind your LAN network space.